Hello, this is Renee, and welcome to my channel, Mommy for 5 Griffins. This is part 2 of our DIY mirror painting, and this project was actually really cool. But I'm starting out by laying the frame of the old mirror. Like I said, it's a 25-year-old mirror, so I'm trying to find something new to do with it. And I laid it on an old sheet, something that I don't have any use for, so I'm using that as a backdrop. And first of all, I'm taping around the edges of the mirror so I can start painting. And I recommend actually covering the whole mirror, because even though I was very precise in painting and trying very hard not to get any paint on the mirror part, there was still a lot of overspray. So I recommend taping the entire thing or covering the entire thing, maybe with plastic around it. Do you have any mirrors that are really old that you really don't know what to do with? See, if you notice very closely, this mirror is actually starting to really weather, and it's got lines and watermarks and all kinds of stuff. So I was trying to find something inspirational to kind of keep it around and still have it in my decor, because let's face it, I'm just not into giving things up too easily, so I just try to repurpose them. And I'm just painting the edges of the frame, and I'm actually using a Rust-Oleum American Accents. It's 2 times ultra cover, and it's a paint and primer for plastic and hard surfaces. And I'm using the color of Pink Peony. I thought that was really pretty, so I'll try to find a photo or a snapshot, and I'll go ahead and put that in the description. Okay, now I've finished painting the frame, and now I'm moving on to the stenciling process. And I'm actually using a Waverly stencil, and the colors that I'm using are a teal color and also a rose gold. So, and I was thinking about adding a few more colors as well, but I didn't quite get that far into the process. I love the colors, and they go really good with my decor. Of course, you can choose whatever colors you like. It's just regular craft paint that you buy from Walmart or any craft store, and it's just the matte acrylic paint, and it's quick drying, so that makes it really easy. And you can actually get the 2-ounce bottles. I got mine from Walmart, and they were like 50 cents each, so that was a good buy. But I'm just stenciling on the paint and lifting as I move around. The Waverly stencils are actually pretty easy to use, and they have really nice patterns. I found that in the craft aisle as well. And I'm just painting all around with one color at a time so that I have time to dry. And here I'm just adding on the second color, which is the rose gold color, and that's just another acrylic. And I did this all around the frame. And actually, once I was finished, I wasn't really satisfied with how it looked. Maybe I needed to add a few more colors or so forth, but tell me what you think in the comments below. Is there something that you would do differently? I was kind of discouraged because my husband really didn't like it. He was like, you know, you're not supposed to paint mirrors, it's bad luck. And I've never heard of this, and I'm trying to find something to do with this mirror that I love so much, but I don't want to get rid of. Um, Tell me your thoughts. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate my viewers so much, and please subscribe. There are more videos to come. Have a wonderful night.